the merchandising. Even a line of Bubbles the Chimp dolls has been introduced, and they're selling like hotcakes at $22 a throw. With all of the hoopla surrounding his tour, Michael Jackson, the person, remains private. He has been spotted at an amusement park, one of his big passions, in Tokyo, accompanied by half a dozen bodyguards.
If they say, why, ooh, tell them,
In the years since Thriller, Jackson's eccentricities have made more news than his music. Now with the world tour in full swing and his album at #1, there is no denying Michael Jackson, the entertainer, is back at the forefront.
Thank you. Somebody got them. Thank you very much. Good night.